Hello, today we're going to be looking at a Sod SC 181. Very good, one of the newer hydrostatic sod cutters on the market right now. I really like the controls and the simplicity of the design. We're going to start off with the blade operation on this. We're going to go through a couple different steps of the hydrostatic control, and then the drive controls in the back. We'll finish off with the engine starting it and running through the operation. So the first thing when you get out onto the job site I'm going to show you is going to be your blade height adjustment. Loosen on this knob and you can set your pin here. This is a depth set pin, and there is a nice chart here on the back that shows you anywhere from 1/4 inch down to 2.5 inches. Select whatever hole that you would like for depth. Lift lightly up on the back of the machine, lower this down, and then relock it in place. That's going to lower your blade down. Coming back here to engage on this machine, you have very simple controls. Yellow or orange, which is bright, is for your blade engage. Down here is for reverse on your handle, and forward on your other handle. So that's literally all there is to it. Once you have it up like this, machine is running. You're going to engage quickly on this. Don't feather it, and then start slowly moving forward while pressing down lightly on the back of the machine. You want the machine, the blade, to cut down in, and then that back wheel will remake contact with the ground and continue straight. Letting go at any point stops the machine and the blade. Back here you can make straight cuts, locking the rear wheel in place, or you can lift up on the toggle and allow it to be a swivel wheel side to side. That's typically handy if you're trying to work around a flower bed or whatnot. Very important while using the machine, always make sure that you stop before you get to a concrete curb. Don't clip a concrete flower bed edge or anything like that. You'll snap that blade really quick doing that. Alrighty. Next thing I'm going to show you is how you actually engage the hydrostatics before you turn the machine on. Which we typically send our machines out already with the hydrostatics engaged. But if for some reason you don't want to have the machine running and you want to have it freewheel so you can roll it around, the hydrostatic engage and disengage is this lever right down in here. If you lift up, it's engaged or disengaged. If you push down, it's engaged. Anytime you're actually using the sod cutter, it has to be engaged. Next thing we'll take a look at is the starting procedure on this machine. It is a 4-stroke machine, so it can only run within 20 degrees of level, no more than that, or you will have oil contamination issues and typically burn the engine up. The machine takes straight gasoline. It goes out full of fuel. You do not have to bring it back full. It takes regular straight gasoline. We take care of the oil, so you don't need to worry about that unless you're on an extended rental for a long term. Choke the machine, pulling out right here. Equipped way back here on the machine is the on-off switch back by the operator. Turn that to run, and then give it a nice light pull. Once the machine starts, you can simply push back in on that choke in the front and shut it off. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching today and have a great day.